How to fix CashApp not working. So the very first thing is to make sure that the server of the application CashApp is stable enough. And in the next step, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for CashApp. Head over to this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And this might also be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on CashApp. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version. But after updating, if it still doesn't work for you, then what you want to do is head over to your settings of device. Move into apps. Head over to the application CashApp. Click on Stories and Cache. So right here, you need to clear the cache and the stories of this application. So tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Stories. Click on OK. Clearing the cache and stories will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to try doing is uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on this application CashApp. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix CashApp not working. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.